Listen to that roar. Yes. Whoa. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is you're watching this. Welcome to the channel. Today, as you will have guessed from the thumbnail, we are on the Multistrada V2S, and what a lovely looking bike this is. What a machine. It looks fantastic, this. I'd like to clean it, I think. I'd like to give it a good rubbing. Pervert. But no, yeah, it is a fantastic looking bike. I mean, I've been on it 2 minutes and I already know I like it. It really is a nice bike. It's a nice seat, nice comfy wide seat. It does feel a bit stiff, but it's not bad stiff. It's comfortable. I think it's probably because it's so wide. This bike is fitted with a quick shifter as well, so makes gear changes effortless. The clutch, it's not the lightest clutch I've ever felt, but it's not bad. The clutch, it's not bad. It's a light feeling clutch, but you've got the quick shifter anyway, so it's not too bad. It's not as heavy as my GS, but it's not as light as the 850 GS that I test rode, but just somewhere in between. Very stable, very planted feeling. It's very nice. The windscreen's adjustable, nice and easy. That one-handed action while you're on the move, up and down, no messing. Quick shifter works perfectly. Down blipper on it, yeah, perfect. You can have fun for this, and it's a comfortable place to be as well, which is a massive plus. The sound on this, when you wind it up, I don't want to go too fast today because, as you can see, it's a terrible day for riding a bike. But no, it has definitely got a bit of pull to it. It's quite a tall feeling bike. I don't know if that's because the seat is so wide, but you do struggle to get your feet down. I can get it flat footed and stand up on it, but it just feels like it's a bit of a stretch to do it. But that's no hardship. Dashboard, brilliant. It's all you need. Rev counter, fuel gauge, speed, what else you need? You don't need it all cluttered. This shows everything. Right, let's have a look how we are for turning round. Tight circles, no feet down. Oh, look at that, how planted and balanced that is. That's perfect. Yeah, no grumbles there. Yeah, so the dashboard is clear, precise, everything you need is on it. You don't need any more information. It's not cluttered, it's good looking. Gear indicator, rev counter, speed, fuel gauge, range on your fuel. It's perfect. It is laid out brilliantly and it's clear as day. You really don't need any more information on a bike, I don't think. That is just good. Like the Africa Twin looks very cluttered. This is not cluttered in any way. This is a very nice looking dashboard, I think. This has got some grunt to it, I'll tell you. It's a very nice bike, this. I'm very comfortable seat. I'm impressed with the seat on it. I think it's because it's so wide and you can feel the shelf of the pillion seat behind you, like locking you in place. I quite like that, so you can't slide around on the bike too much. I do like that. Your pegs feel like they're in a slightly sporty position. They do feel like you're canted forward a bit of a, yeah, you're in a sporty position. This is more sporty than it is off-road riding. Your legs are not, it's not an uncomfortable angle, but they're not straight. Well, you know what I mean. You're not an armchair, you are bent back a bit. But no, it's a comfortable place to be, definitely. Don't know if this makes any difference. Well, I can't even feel any wind coming off it anyway. It does seem to be blocking quite a bit. Oh, it's coming here. I wonder if a peaked helmet it might get you. It's higher up, or it feels, oh no, it's not, it's about here again. So if you wear a peaked helmet, I don't know how good it would be, but it does seem to be doing the job okay at this speed. We need to get on a motorway and test it. Handguards seem to be doing a fine enough job of blocking the wind. I'm not trying it in any other modes, but the switch gear is extremely easy to use on this. Indicators, you know when you've clicked them, perfect. Really is. You can feel you're actually pressing a button when you're doing it. The modes are dead simple to go through. Just keep hold of that. You can pick whichever touring mode, sport mode, whatever you want to be in. I'm leaving it in touring today. Well, it's so wet, we're not playing with sport. then you just press enter again to close the throttle, open it, and done. That's your mode changed, simple as that. Right, back brake, yeah, it's okay. Front brake, there's a bit of fork dive there, it's not too bad. We'll get this wind protection out of the way and then we'll get up and have a walk round and show you the looks of this bike. In this black, I think it looks mint. You always see them in red, but this looks very, very nice. Well, in my opinion it does anyway. Don't want to go too hard because it's very wet today, but it shifts. Goes straight up to speed there, no problems at all. Wind protection wise, what we're doing here now, we're doing what, 67s in early. Yeah, it's not a problem, wind protection, and that's in the lowest setting. Let's have a go a bit higher up. I think it's roughly the same actually. We're in the wrong lane. Yeah, I think it's roughly the same. I don't really think it affects it, that windscreen. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, you can feel that definitely. So the wind protection works better in the highest wind. Oh, at my height, I'm 6 foot tall, 32 leg inch leg inseam. So if you wanted to know the dimensions for trying the bike out, it's not too bad. Like I say, you can flat foot it at that, but it just feels like a bit of a stretch. Windscreen's perfect in the upper position. I don't know how it would go with a peak on. It does seem to be, it's hitting me right here in the forehead. I don't know, you can't see that on camera, but it is hitting me where the peak would be, just under the peak. So I don't know how it would affect it if you had an adventure style lid on, but with a standard helmet on it's okay. Not getting any buffeting, it's no horrible vibrations coming through the helmet. There's no turbulence coming off this wagon even. It's blocking the wind very well. There's a nice calm bubble here, there's nothing here. It's just going over my shoulders, which is a good thing. Wind protection, thumbs up, definitely. Like them indicators a lot better than I did on the Africa Twin. You can feel it, you know you've pressed it. It's a clickable button, it's just right, that. Positive pressing. Mirrors are perfect. Don't know if you're picking that up on camera, but I can't see any of my arms in them camera. Well, just a tiny bit of my jacket. Not intrusive in any way, you can see everything you need to perfectly. See clear. In fact, they're the best mirrors I've seen on a bike so far. You can see everything perfectly in both mirrors. Kill switch. Perfect. Lovely jubbly. Oh, that side stand's easy to find. Oh, I like the way it comes up there and tells you it's down as well. That screen's getting even better. Right, for a walk round. Yeah, just look at that. I think that black and grey is the perfect colour for that bike with the red wheels as well. That is a stunning looking machine. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a bit smoky, isn't it? That's what I can smell. Lovely, it wants cleaning. I didn't want to get it dirty today, but I've had no choice, have I? Oh, it is. It's a very, very nice looking bike, that. So we have the quick shifter and everything fitted to this one. Works perfectly up and down. I like these lights. I like the design of this front end. I think it's the nicest front end on any bike, or any adventure bike, should I say. Don't even know if you can see this properly. Lovely. Right, let's get back on it and get riding. Oh, I almost forgot. How is it for lifting off the pushing round? Well, yeah, extremely easy. Turning circle on it's quite good. You'll be able to get that in and out of a space, no problem at all. Yeah, that is a easy bike to manoeuvre about. Not too heavy, not too top heavy. It's just, yeah, you'll be able to push that round where you needed to. Brilliant. Can't really comment and cornering too much today because I'm taking it very easy. I don't want to drop this bike. going around the corner too quick in the wet, so but I can't see it being a problem on it. Very planted, very stable. It just wants to go where you want it to go. It's a very, very, very nice bike. So how is it for filtering? Well, as you can guess, it's a motorbike. It's not too bad. It's not massively wide. I mean, you can get the pannier set for this, but it wouldn't be a problem filtering. Wow, oh my god, this is a good bike. Wow, it screams. It's a fantastic bike. Definitely you've got to get yourself one of these. Let's have a go, nobody behind me. Right, 4th gear roll on. Yeah, it chugs a bit, it will move. Probably better off dropping it down. Like I say, it does like to rev up, this bike. We've not done it today, but yeah, she does. She just wants to rev and rev. Listen to that roar. Yes. Wow. The noise this thing makes, I think that's the best sounding and best looking bike I've ever been on. So I think it's going to have to be a thumbs up from this bike. I love it. I do, I love it. I'm not sure, like I say, I don't know what the tech specs are. You'll know from if you've watched the other reviews I've done. As the missus would say, I'm a lazy fat bastard and I couldn't be bothered to look, so I'll put a link in the description below and you'll be able to look at the tech specs and everything yourself. I've got to give a shout out to Ducati at Preston. They're the ones that give me the test ride on this today. I've got to thank you to them. It's a fantastic bike, fantastic place, lovely clean, lots of nice bikes in there. Definitely, if you're in the area, go down and check it out. It's a very nice showroom, good set of lads in there. Go and have a look, go and get on a bike, go and buy a bike. Can't say any more about that. It's a very nice place to be, and they have got some fantastic bikes in there. Yeah, the tech specs will be in a link in the description below to Ducati's website, where you'll be able to go and have a look for yourself. Well, I don't think there's much more else to say about it. It's a resounding yes from me. It's going to get a thumbs up from me, this bike, without a doubt. Fantastic bike. I want one. Yes, it'll put a smile on your face. Yes, you will want to get on it straight after, and yes, you will want to even get on it and ride it in the rain. It is one of them bikes. So yes, go and get one tomorrow. If you like that review, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next one. Peace out.